Guys, it's Gold Rush mini helmet time. Number 1, it's 121, Division break. Oh, let's get into it. It's currently Monday, January 21st, 2019. It's 10:24 p.m. Eastern Time, 7:24 p.m. Pacific Time. We have Dirty with 2 spots, 1 and 1. Getty 1, Robert 1, Charles 1, Blue Soul 1. I thought your name was Jewel. Never mind. Dirty 1, Anthony 1, Greg with 1. Like the e-cigarette. Alright, 5 times. Here we go. Once, twice. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Rob, you're on top. Getty on the bottom there. 5 times. Alright. Rob, AFC North. Greg, AFC South. Blue Soul, AFC East. Dirty, AFC West. Anthony, NFC North. Dirty, NFC South. Charles, NFC East. Getty, NFC West. Any Traderoonies? Let me know. Bengals. Big win. Alright guys, here we go. Gold Rush mini helmet. NFC North. Tony, you're NFC North. You are the NFC North. Nice. Who's this? Roddy White? Roddy White, number 84 for the Falcons. Roddy White, JSA WPP 031422. Roddy White. NFC South. I thought it was Matt Ryan. NFC South, Roddy White. Alright, nice. He was a stud back in the day. It's going to go to Dirty Deeds. Dirty Deeds got himself a Roddy White, number 84 Falcons helmet. Congrats. It's the Tebow, man. Turn of events. Once, twice. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and Blue Soul. That's a free spot in an autographed mini helmet break, man. There you go. You ask and Tebow delivers. Alright guys, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, feel free to ask. Please subscribe down below. We go live 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time every night. And I'll be gone Wednesday through Saturday this week, fellas. So if you need me, hit me up on Instagram or Facebook or text or whatever. But yeah, thank you. Please subscribe. 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time every night.